Okay, takeoff confirmed.
Confirm.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Takeoff. Manual flex 56, SRS, runway, auto first blue.
Check. Press set. $100 knots.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Get up.
Now.
Check.
Tower, Dreamland 3327. Dreamland 3327 Tower. Any improvement for us?
Check.
Negative, still 1214. Copy, take care.
First climb, auto thrust.
And Swiss 1341, holding short, turning 19 right, Zulu.
Venus departure, Romani, Norway in the 321, Upasi 1 Bravo departure, passing 2,700 feet.
Northern 321, Willis approach, good day, radar contact, climb flight level 260 on SID.
On SID up to level 260, Norway in the 321.
Northern 321, and due to special glider zone on your route, please expedite climb until flight level 905.
Expedited 905 by 321.
Okay, 26,000 feet below.
Check.
Climb.
Check.
Flaps on.
05 number X-ray, direct departure.
Direct
departure, 05 number X-ray.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flap 0. Maybe stop the speed at 240.
Okay, we can do that. 240.
Yeah.
Speed selected 240.